Hello everyone, welcome to Drive Your Logic. Today I will teach you how to learn or how to write 9 to 99 tables. We all know till 8, okay? 1 to 8 it is easier for us. But when it comes 9th table, many of you gets afraid. So today we will learn about that 9 to 99, how to write those tables. So please come and join me. So 9 table, basically what to do, you write 9. So you have to remember how to start. For 9 table, you write first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first you write down the tens place as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the same thing you write from downward. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. So this is your 9th table. I hope it is very easy. You all will remember this one. Okay. So let's do now the other tables. How to do. 10 and 11 is very easy. Now we will go for 12. How to do 12th table? First you write down 2. Okay. And make a straight line from center. Now you write down 1's table. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2's table. 2 into 1 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, what you need to do? This way, you can do any tables till 99. You write down first you have to write down the tens place table and the ones place table. Then you add it. Add it means how add it? You just write the number given. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. Now, here one magic is there. In this number, you can see 3 digits are there. What you will do, this first unit place 1, you write down as it is. And 1 plus 5, write down 6. Same here, write down 2. And 1 plus 6 is 7. 4, write down here. 1 plus 7 is 8. Then 6 you write down here. 8 plus 1 is 9. And then 8 you write down here. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 you write down here. 10 you have to take as a whole number. 10 plus 2, that is 12. So this is your 12th table. I hope it is very easy. Now let us do some different table. Let us do, for example, 43 table, or you can take any table. So first I will do what? I will make a line. I will write down 4th table. So 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8. So this is 4th table. Now you write down 3 is 1. Now what you have to do? what I told you, whatever number is there, if it is single digit, just write down the number. Then 86, write down as it is. Now, when there is 3 digit, what you have to do? Unit place, you write down 9, and oh, here there is no single, here there is no double digit. Okay, so we can think 9 here, and then you write down 12. The single digit should not be there in the second place. Okay, so here, see, here there are 4 digits, but here it is 2 digit. So when there is 2 digits in the ones place table, so you will write down 2 here, and this one will be added to 16. Tens place, all the numbers you have to take as whole numbers. Okay, so 16 plus 1, 17. Write down 5 as it is. 20 plus 1, 21. Write down 8 as it is. 24 plus 1, that is 25. Then 1, 28, 29, 30. 4 you write down as it is. 32 plus 2, that is 34. 7 you write down. 36 plus 2, that is 38. 0 you write down as it is. 40 plus 3, that is 430. So here is our 43's table. I hope it's very easy. Like this, you can do any table. Okay. For example, let me take 95 table. So make a line. What is 9's table? 9's table you write down. Now only I taught you 9's table. First you do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is our 9's table. 5's table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 50. Now what you have to do? You just have to write the number. See, 0 you don't take. So 95, 95. Here 0 you write down as it is. 18 plus 1, that is 19. 5 you write down as it is. 27 plus 1, 28. Then you write down 0 as it is. 36 plus 2, that is 38. 5 you write down as it is. 45 plus 2, that is 47. 0, 7, 5, 66, 0, 76, 5, 85, 0, 95. That's it. So I hope you can write from 0 to, so not 0, actually 9 to 99. Everyone can write, because 1 to 8 it is very easy. 1 to 8 you all can do, and 9 to 99 you have learned today. And in my next class I will show you 100 to 999. Okay, my next class I will show you 100 onwards how to do. Same way you have to do, but there is bit change. So if you like my video, please don't forget to give a like and share it, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.